This is an introductory course in astronomy and astrophysics, highlighting not just the basics of the various disciplines within the subject, but also the recent advances that have been made in the subject worldwide in both the theoretical and experimental arenas. Now, astronomy and astrophysics is an emerging discipline in the 21st century worldwide, and in India, it is now increasingly being taught at various universities in various departments because it is a truly multidisciplinary subject. It includes physicists, of course, as well as engineers, mathematicians, statisticians, chemists, as well as biologists. And what we are trying to do here is to introduce the various areas in which Indians are involved in frontier research, setting it in a global perspective. This course will be appropriate for people in Indian universities and colleges who have been involved in the teaching of astronomy and astrophysics to update their knowledge in the advances made in various areas, which is why we have kept lectures which deal with the basics of the subject as well as the current research advances in each field. This is why we feel that people who have concentrated on the theoretical aspects of astronomy and astrophysics could update their knowledge on the recent observational advances in various ranges of the electromagnetic spectrum, as well as currently now in gravitational wave astrophysics as well. And those who have been specializing in observational astronomy could catch up on what's happening in the more theoretical fields within astronomy and astrophysics. The lectures cover basic astrophysics in stellar evolution, galaxies and galaxy evolution, physics of clusters, and cosmology, including cosmic microwave background radiation, from both the theoretical and observational aspects. And then it talks about the very recent advances in the subjects of gravitational waves and the mega science projects worldwide that India is getting involved in, such as LIGO India, the TMT, and the Square Kilometre Array. We have assembled here a bunch of astrophysicists and cosmologists who teach at various institutes and universities within India, introducing the different themes within the subject.
So the eventual learning outcome of this course will be to make sure that the teachers at the universities who are engaged in the learning and teaching of astronomy and astrophysics has a very clear idea of the developments that are happening in the subject all across a large range of fields within astronomy and astrophysics.